today's video, 10 minutes morning stretches for a pain-free, happier and healthier day. Because if you want your kidney health back, a healthy lifestyle is key. And what's healthier than starting the day with some nice stretching? Katherine from Double Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. Okay, let's start with some warm-up. Stretching is going to be a lot easier and more effective once we have warm-up. As usual, no jumps and no impact exercise are going to be involved. Just follow me. It's easy and it will also help us feel a lot better, more energized during the whole day. Today's stretching is going to be perfectly suitable for anyone regardless of age and or current fitness level. And it's only going to take you 10 minutes. This is a whole body stretching you should do every morning. And when I say every morning, I mean it. We need to do exercises that stretch our body and increase our flexibility every single day. Because stretching is one of the best ways to prevent the most common back pains, but also joint pain and muscle pains. And if that's not enough, stretching can also help with heart health. Studies have shown that just like aerobic exercise, stretching is going to help the arteries stretch. And this is incredibly useful for the health of your kidneys too. Just make sure you have a yoga mat or a soft surface to stretch on. Even a rug will suffice. Okay. Let's do some circles with your arms now. This is great to loosen up the shoulders. Okay, the warm-up is working. Let's start with the first stretch. We're going to start from the head and work our way down to our toes. Okay, let's begin stretching our neck. Very gently. Pull one ear towards your shoulder. Like this. You shouldn't feel any pain here, just a gentle stretch. We're going to stretch both sides of the neck to start. Take deep breaths while you stretch. 20 seconds for each stretch. You want to feel a gentle stretch. Okay. Switch the other side. Okay, very slowly, very gently, pull one ear towards your shoulder. We're going to stretch from the top to the bottom. And this is really great because just by doing this, you're really doing something positive for your body. Okay. Let's relax the neck now. Move your head. Rotate your head a little bit. Very easy. Next is a shoulder stretch. Now let's just pull across very gently our arm. This is a shoulder stretching, and a lot of people have tight shoulders, which can even cause back pain. This is an easy stretch that can do wonders to work that tension out. Just keep breathing. 20 seconds for each stretch. Okay, let's shake it out a bit and change arm. And gently pull across, very gently. Always keep breathing. You know, best time to do this is in the morning. It will help relieve any tension or pain from sleeping. And it helps increase your blood flow. Great for your heart and kidneys. Okay, done. Okay. The other benefit of this stretching is that it prepares your body for a great day. Okay, next is the elbows out chest stretch. Now we're going to stretch our chest. A very easy one. Just stand tall and with your hands behind your head, bring your elbows as far out and back as possible to open up the chest. Feel your chest more free. Take deep breaths and Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Pull those elbows back towards the wall behind you. Keep breathing. Okay. Relax your arms and your shoulders now. Shake it out a bit. Okay, next one. The side stretch. Stand tall with your feet together and reach both arms overhead with palms together. Okay. Inhale and bend laterally to the left side. Just stretch to the side. You want to feel the stretch in your lat muscles from armpit to your hip. Okay. Okay, shake it down. Now the other side. Again, clasp your hands together and then stretch to the side. Make sure you stretch up. Not just to the side, but make sure you're going up as well. This is very important. And breathe. Okay, done. Let's shake it out now. Now, we're gonna do some hamstring stretch. Now, let's go nice and wide with the legs. This is a very gentle stretch. Don't overdo it. Just push gently with your arms above the knee. Feel that hamstring releasing all the tension. And take a deep breath. Okay, done. From here, we're going to go to the other leg. Again, this is a very gentle stretch. Just lean gently onto your left leg and breathe. Okay, done. Shake it up. Move your legs. Woo. Next one is similar. Our legs are gonna be shoulder width apart, okay? And we're just gonna go down slowly. Go as far as you can go and then hold the stretch. If you can get your ankle, that's okay. Grab your ankles. If you can grab your feet, even better. Remember that you shouldn't feel any pain while you're stretching. And stretch. And make sure you're breathing when you're doing these stretches. Do not hold your breath. Okay, shake it out. We're going to need our mat now for the cat-cow stretch. To start, you're going to come on to all fours. Make sure that the shoulder is over the wrist. So first, there is the cow. The belly falls down, the shoulders roll back, and the gaze comes up towards the sky. Breathe slowly while you're here. Now you're going to reverse that. So you're going to carve the belly in, puff the rib cage up, and look in at your navel. We're going to repeat the whole thing again now. So very slowly, let the belly fall down and roll back your shoulders. Look up towards the sky. Now, very slowly, carve the belly in, puff the rib cage up, and look in at your navel. Inhale and exhale. This is beautiful to do in the beginning of the morning because it opens up the spine, especially useful if you spend too much time in front of your PC. Okay, done. Okay, don't get up now, just relax the shoulders a bit. Next is the Sphinx Pose. This is another stretch that's derived from a yoga pose. It's really great for the compression of the spine. Begin by lying with your legs hip-width apart. Bring your arms up and lift your head and chest off the floor. It's really important that you lengthen and open. What we want to do is to grip the mat. It's like you're pulling the whole mat towards you, like this. You're going to feel the compression in the spine now. Isn't it wonderful? Okay, now relax. Sit now and relax your shoulder, okay? A butterfly stretch now. We're going to stretch our inner thighs, groin, hips, and muscles around our knees with a proper butterfly stretch. Sit up straight and tall with your knees bent. Drop your legs to the sides and bring the soles of your feet together. Grasp your feet and ankles and slowly lean forward, keeping your spine straight. Okay, breathe. Okay, done now. Now we're gonna do a stretch for our back and legs, a seated twist stretch. This is great to fight back pain. So if you have a sensitive back, be sure you stretch it. Sitting on the mat, extend one leg out on the ground with knees straight. Take your other leg and cross it over the leg. Now, twist your body towards the bent knee, placing your elbow on the knee. And hold it for 20 seconds. Breathe. Okay, now the other side. The same thing. Now twist your body and feel the stretch, like this. And breathe. Feel the stretch. Okay. Done. Okay guys, it feels a lot better now, doesn't it? Isn't the best feeling in the world knowing that you did something really good for your health? So congratulations! And believe me when I say that exercising coupled with a healthy diet is the only thing that really works. So it's really great that you guys took the time to do this with me today. Remember that it's never too late to start caring for your own health. because exercise is always good for you. It's just a matter of making it a priority and a habit in your daily life. This is really great to help your kidneys improve. And let me know in comment section if you like this video and if you want to see more like this. And keep following me right here on Double O Kidney. A new video is coming next Tuesday, don't miss it. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.